Boss, with the rest of it? Exclusive people. These are dumpling from outer space. Imported from Saturn. Limited edition. I'm still hungry. Bring me at least 3 planets more. Reading say 0.75% bone, 25% meat, 100% disappointment. Boss, give me a patty and a box drink. Make we stop the foolishness. But sir, this is Michelin Dining. Michelin, me thought that a tire company. Bring me back my patty. Lesson of today. Fancy restaurant food can't fill alien belly. And me still hungry. Like, comment, subscribe, or me come raid your fridge. Is that the only suit you have?
What you mean?
Why you wear the same suit from Error Circle?